Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So we can see where index can do momentum in on 4th Feb. Okay guys, you can see that it taken a resistance right now. So what we can expect is that if it will take a once again come back, so it will take a resistance from here. Your first target will be this, second target and third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for. If it will happen that if it will break upside and come and take on a support here, it will first target will be this, second target and your third target. Okay guys, but probability is that it will continuously come down only and take here support or gap down happen, so it will act as a support and you can go for upside momentum. Okay guys, in NASDAQ also what we are seeing is that this is the one of the very strong supporting zone right now. So you can see that if it will take a resistor support from here, your first target, second target. Okay guys, if it will break third target and fourth target, you can surely go for. If it will break downside, okay guys, you can see that if it will act as a resistance from here, somewhere here, then you can go for your first target and your second target. Okay guys, you can go further also if you want. Okay guys, you can see in Russell 3000, you can see here that it taking a resistance. If once again it comes or one of the gap up open, then it take a resistance. Your first target will be this, then second target will be this. Okay guys, if it will break or open gap done somewhere, so if it will come and take here support, then your first target will be your second target and third target. Okay guys, these three target you can go for surely. In SPX too, what we have seen, this is the one of the major resistance area right now. If it will come and take a resistance from here, your first target will be this, second target and your third target. Okay guys, these three target okay guys, these three target you can surely go for. In upside, what we can do is, if it open flat, then your first target will be this, second target will be this, and guys, this is the third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for it. Okay guys, in SGX, in HGX, okay guys, in HGX, if it will continuously do any price action, your first target and your second target. Okay guys, if it will open flat or somewhere something, then you can go for, if it will take support, first target and your second target and your third target. Okay guys, these three target you can take for HGX. In BKX also you can see that it continuously taking right now coming to the acting as support. If it will break, then take a support here, a resistance here, first target, second and third target. Okay guys, you can see that these three target. Okay guys, if it will take a here support, go first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for. Now SOX, you can see in SOX also, you can see here it is continuously taking a resistance. If open flat or somewhere, first target, if second target and third and fourth target. Okay guys, probability is high is that it will take around from this or this from here, take around and take a resistance from here. You can go for your first, second and third target. Okay guys, or it will take from here, it comes down and take a resistance from here, your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, these three target for SOX. In XAU, you can see that in XAU semiconductor silver sector, which is that gold and silver sector, you can see that if it will once again take a support, you can surely go for your first target and second target. Okay guys, if it will break downside or something, then you can see that if it will break, then you can go for, this is the one of the strongest level, your first target. Then you can see a price action also. In Tesla also what is happening, you know that this is the one of the resistance area right now. So what I believe is that if it will take a come down and taking up from a resistance once again from that place only, your first target will be this, second target. Okay guys, and your third target and your fourth target. These four target you can surely go for. Okay guys, these are the analysis for today. Okay guys, and also I will making another video also. I will attach both in this video only, so you can check out that too. That whole analysis of 5 days, Monday to Monday to Thursday, which I have not done analysis. Monday we have done, but we have not discussed. I have discussed. You can check out that also. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, The AIM Trader. So what we have done in Monday analysis and whole week, what happened, we can see that, and today on Friday, what we can trade in index, we can discuss that. Okay guys, what we have discussed on Monday, you can see that if it will come and take here support, then you can surely go for your first target, second and third. After that you can see that taken a resistance first time, second time, after that it breaks, it came for support. After that it gives us within a half hour ending, which is closing half hour, it gives us very nice profit. Okay guys, after that we can see on 31st or 1st February guys, we can see that it gives us very nice trade guys. Okay guys, just a second. Okay, now we can see here how nicely it consolidated. After that, this is the one trend line. However it breaks, you have got very nice trade guys. If you have traded, just do let me know and comment in. Okay guys, so here also you can see that this is the one of the trend, and after that you can see that how nicely it's going upside. Okay, these 2 days you have got very nice trade guys. After that you can see yesterday on third one, what happened, a slightly gap down. After that, this is the price action. What happened, it continuously come down. After that you can see here one of the major thing you have to note it also. This is the one of the major supporting area. First time came, second time, after that it came and taken a pullback. This is the confirmation that it will goes downside. It goes downside guys. So like this you have to take a confirmation guys. We can see in nasdaq 100. Okay guys, in nasdaq 100 what we have discussed, you can see that this is the very much strong area. So here only it taken a one of the bullish candle. You can see that this is the wick, but this area you can see that only small wick also you cannot find in this candle in up. Okay guys, so this is the way you have to trade. You have taken here trade your SLB here. You can see that whole day it gives us very nice profit. Within here, within 1 hour you got a maximum profit. After that it is volatile. After that within half hour closing, it gives us very nice target. Our first target, second target and third target almost reached. Okay guys, after that what happened, the market is very slightly open gap up in first Feb. After that it make a blue pattern also. After that it continuously consolidate. You can see this the one of the major trend line. After this break you have to take a upside momentum. You can see that how nice bullish candle is this. After that it make an upside move very slightly also, but in the ending only. Okay guys, after that on second Feb it open a gap up, very big gap up, then smallly only. So after that it came down, once again tested. After that it came down, it's make a W pattern. After this break you can see that how nicely taken. You can see here. Okay guys, you can see here, this is the one of the thing where it taken a resistance. After it breaks it become a support. You can see support. Okay guys, this is the wholly volatile. After that you can see that yesterday only on 3rd Feb it opened a very big gap down. After that it make a this pattern. After this you can see that this is the one of the major trend line. This is broken, you have to buy a put or you have sell the call option. You can see that how nicely it comes down. Here only taking a support right now, so we can see further for today. Okay guys, now we can see in Russell 3000. Okay guys, in Russell 3000 also what happened, I have told you here is only a support, open a slightly gap up. After that you can see that how bullishness in this Russell 3000 also. Okay guys, after that you can see on 1st Feb, this is the, here is the thing where continuously taking a resistance. After this break, it gives within a half hour last closing time, gives us a slightly up move. Okay guys, after that you can see that it is open a slightly uh, flat only. After that it consolidate. After that break, it goes on a consolidating only, because it make a W pattern. You can see that this is the one of the trend line which it following. Okay guys, after break it goes upside. Okay guys, after that a big gap down happened and the very bearish candle is here. After that you can see that volatile. After it breaks, you can see here. Okay guys, one of the major thing what I have told you, you can note it down also. I have told you many times. You can check out my video also, learning video. After that it is acting as support, round acting as a resistance. You can sell this here up till call of 2630 somewhere. You have sold or above all the calls you have sold. You have got very nice money, and theta decay also you have got. Okay guys, now SPX 500. Okay guys, in SPX 500 I have what I have told you. You can see that here only it takes supports. It's a green candle. After this green candle you have to buy your SL will be this green candle. You can see that how nicely it taken over first target, second target. Okay guys, second target reached, third target also slightly is remaining. After that you can see that what previous happened. You can see this is the one of the major resistance area what it acting as. After break it gives us nice momentum. It is like a SPX work like a just like a Russell 3000. Okay guys, how Russell 3000 is behave, like that only SPX also behave. You can see that this is the one of the trend line. If I will draw some, it goes upside. Okay guys, just a second. Okay, this is the trend line. After that you can see that it goes upside. Okay guys, after that huge gap down you can see here. After that you can see here what happened. It comes down after this maker WM pattern. After this break, your SL will be this bearish candle. After this, you can see that continuously consolidating. After this consolidation over, you can see that how nicely it given us our target. Okay guys, so like this you have to trade in any index you have confidence. So you can see that I have told you if it will take here support somewhere. It not taken support, it's slightly open gap, it's a bullish candle. After that consolidate sometime. You can see that this is the one of the trend line. If I will draw it once again, okay, this is the trend line. After that you can see that taken resistance, came back once again. After that you can see that it continuously came down after first FEB. You can see that continuously came down. After you can see that consolidation only happened. After that nothing will happen. After you can see that this is the one of the supporting area. I have told you it taken support, continuously taken here only. After that, after this consolidation gives us very nice momentum. After that it came back once again like a sideways market only. Okay guys, after that on 3rd Feb you can see that it continuously consolidating. After given a down momentum, after that it continuously goes on consolidation. After that buyer and seller very much fight in here. Okay guys, they fight here, then after that bear is win. After that they come down, the pullback came by the buyers. After that bearishness is very much dominating here. Okay guys, in BKX. In BKX also what I have told you, you have know that if it will come down once again, it will take here only or somewhere here only flat opens. So you can go for your first target and second target. What happened? A gap down happened. After that our first target is it reversible. After this is the one of the trend line. If you have drawn, you have got very nice momentum. After that consolidate and closed here only. After that next day what happened? It taking a consolidation after a big momentum. After this break, this is the one of the trend line also here. Just a second guys, this is the trend line what we have discussed. After this break it gives us very nice momentum. After that you can see that it continuously consolidated. After this break you can see that almost a sideways market only. After that one of the big momentum gap down happened, but in nasdaq or banking sector, it open flat going upside, but all are coming down, so it reaches here until here. After that it continuously came down. Okay guys, so in SPX also like that only it opens. I have told you, if open flat or somewhere it taken resistance, you can see that this is the red candle taken resistance. After this break you can see that how nicely momentum is done. Okay guys, after that in first Feb it continuously consolidate and closed. After that on second Feb you can see that open gap up only. After that continuously consolidate. This is one of the sideways market, this is also sideways market. After that on third Feb, yesterday it making a consolidation. After this area is break, you can see that it taken a downside momentum. After this is the confirmation. I have told you to write down in book also, this is the confirmation, it's coming down, then your SL will be here somewhere, and you have taken, you can see that taken a resistance, gives us very nice momentum here. Okay guys, like this you can trade on index. Okay guys, you can see here I have told you, if it will take a here support, then you can go for your first target and second target. You can say that it taken a support, you have got first target on that day only, second target also reached, third target also reached, because gap down open. So if you have taken this in carry forward, so you have got very nice momentum. Okay guys, so you can see here it continuously consolidating. This is the one of the sideways market, this is also sideways market only. It taken support and goes upside. After that a gap down, you can see that how nicely it came down. After that this is acting as supporting, because you can see here it is continuously taking a resistance, now acting as support, so it taking a support. After that it breaks. After once again it tries, once again it taken it downside as sellers. Okay guys, in here also you can see what happened. You can see this is the buyer zone area, so here buying happened. You can see that here also buying area, here also buying area. After this break you have got very nice momentum upside, but you can see here one of the major thing, you can see this is completely resistance area. Once it breaks, I know, but if buyer is very much stronger, then it will take upside. If seller is very much dominated, then it will cannot reach and never break once again. So you can see that how much seller is dominated for second, third time, fourth time, fifth time, continuously trying, but not. But once it tried, but sellers also came here and taken it, dominated and came down. Once again here buyer is very much dominated, because this is buyer area. After that seller has came full there, used their power and taken it once again a downside momentum. Okay guys, like this I have told you that all stocks are very much expensive, so do not invest like this only. You can see here I have told you this is the end of the trend line. After this break you can see that how nicely fallen. Also Amazon also fall 5 to 6% yesterday, and it gives us very nice momentum, you can see here. And also Microsoft, Apple, all are fallen. Okay guys, like this you can trade in index. Okay guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, please comment down. I will make separate video on that if you have any confusion. So please do let me know if you have any queries. Thank you guys.